They say the beauty is in the eye of the beholder, but one dating website thinks that the beauty can be measured. Beautifulpeople.com accepts daters based on their perceived attractiveness as rated by the site's users. The figure shows that the nationalities consistently prove more popular than all the others. These are the 10 countries with the most beautiful people. Brazil. Brazilians are deemed to some of the most beautiful men and women in the world. As one of the most mixed races in the world, plenty of genetic diversities make Brazilians particularly beautiful. The country is known for its 40 soccer playing men. Brazilian women have a sexy reputation too. That's held by national models like Gisele Bündchen and Andrina Lima. Brazilian men have an acceptance rate of 41% and the women are at 45%. France. The French are the proud owners of both the language of love and the city of love. All of that romance probably seems from their incredible good looks. French men and women are alike, are praised from their effortless style and grace. They eat bread and cheese all day and still manage to stay slim. France has usually low obesity rates. Actors Eva Green and Oliver Martinez are two of the world's favorite examples of sexy French talent. French men have an approval rate of 20%, while women boast an acceptance rate of 35%. USA. The USA provides the world with some of the most beautiful men and women in existence. With a population of around 319 million, there are bound to be more than few hotties. From Jennifer Lawrence to Emily Clark, from Ryan Reynolds to George Clooney. The world's most gorgeous movie stars and most iconic divas often hail from the States. Of course, most Americans can trace their roots and their good looks back to the other continents. American men have an acceptance rate of 24% with women at 36%. Norway. Norwegian women are some of the most attractive people on earth. Norway has one of the world's best healthcare and education systems. Some of the most stunning examples of Norwegian beauty combine talent, brains and beauty, like Olympian Theresa Johaug or novelist Lani Meyer. 27% of Norwegian men get accepted, in contrast to get whopping 71% of Norwegian women. Argentina. The sexy Latinos of Argentina, men and women, are known to be some of the most beautiful on earth. The population of the South American country is largely on European descent. They might be naturally gorgeous, but Argentinian women are obsessed with beauty. In fact, Argentina is one of the world's most plastic surgery enhanced nations. Latest figure shows Argentines men's acceptance rate is at 32% while women are at 43%. Canada. Up in the Great White North, the Canadians are staying fit year around. They are reportedly very creative with keeping warm both in and out with their snowsuits. They are listed in the top 3 most sexually active countries in the world, with an acceptance rate of 23% for the men and 26% for the women. Canadians of both sexes are some of the world's most desirable people. Denmark. Danes make up the 3rd tallest nationality in the world. The fair-haired Danish men are also ranked as the 3rd most attractive group of men in the world, with an acceptance rate of over 40%. Danish genes are to thank for the gorgeous Scarlett Johansson. Her grandfather was from Copenhagen, Spain. Spanish men are reported as being significantly better looking than their female counterparts. But what makes the men of Spain so irresistible to the opposite sex? Maybe it's their lyrical language or those dark and slutty good looks. Javier Bardem and Antonio Banderas lead the pack as 2 of Spain's sexiest men. Spanish men have an acceptance rate of 25%, but the women are at just 21%. Italy. Chivalrous, romantic and hot-blooded, the Italian stallions have one of the sexiest reputations in the world. Italian men are reported as being even sexier than their admitted gorgeous female counterparts. Italian men have an approval rating of 37%, with women only 25%. The national sex symbols like actor Rafael Ball, so it's easy to see why Italian men are universally loved. Sweden. Swedes have the tall, blonde, athletic reputation. Unsurprisingly, Sweden is the home of the most beautiful men and women in the world. They have an acceptance rate of 60% and 62% respectively. Both sexes are cited as being equally irresistible and come out leagues above most other nations. In one fall, travelers officially named Stockholm as the city with the sexiest men in the world. Classic beauties Björk Ekland and Ingrid Bergman both hailed from the Scandinavian country. If you like this type of documentary style videos, make sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. For more upcoming videos like this, press the bell icon to get instant notification of our videos.